advanced active germ-fighting system. Alpha Pillow 2 is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow with air cells, aqua gel cooling membrane, ultra-soft honeycomb weave bamboo fabric, and pure silver fibers. Our pure silver fibers has been certified and independently lab tested, creating a germ defense shield while you sleep. The problem with traditional pillows is that they use sponge-like materials. In as little as 1 week, millions of colony-forming units of bacteria can grow inside this porous space where mold and other pathogens can thrive. Contact with these pathogens has been linked to acne, allergies, asthma, cold and flu, and other serious infections. Alpha Pillow not only provides better spinal alignment, it delivers more optimal pressure points and is more durable compared to traditional cotton or down pillows. Bamboo charcoal's activated carbon absorbs toxins, prevents mold growth, and purifies air by absorbing harmful gases. Air cells optimize comfort and breathability. Alpha pushes nanotechnology a step further where the entire fiber is coated with silver on a micron scale, resulting in silver distribution 100 times better than nanotech for unmatched performance. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects. Our aqua gel cooling membrane and silver pillowcase fibers helps wicks away moisture. Alpha Pillow 2 feels better, smells better, and provides a healthier sleep posture for a higher quality night's sleep. Alpha Pillow 2 now comes in 2 sizes, standard and king.
At Ivana Designs, our mission is to create better textiles through science and research. We have engineered one of the most advanced combinations of fabrics, and we are excited to continue bringing products to optimize your well-being. We are all set for manufacturing, and we hope you will join us to revolutionize the future of sleep.
Is full of adventures. Sometimes you just need to get out there, just anywhere, away from the stress. You need to explore, to breathe, to live. The conditions you will face on your adventures are unknown, but you know where you're going, to freedom. You're used to changing your shoes and jacket to match the location or the weather. Why shouldn't you be able to do the same with your bike? The answer is, you can. Retire is the only tire that allows you to change the tire surface to match any condition you face. Whether it's snow or ice, the bike trail, downhill, off-road, or pure asphalt, with Retire, you're always ready for what comes next. Retire is essentially a tire with zippers and different skins that can be mounted on that tire. The tire and the skins have been designed to match perfectly, and the tight fit ensures that the skins act and feel like a normal tire. This way, you always have the grip you need when you need it. Just like a jacket, you put the zippers together and pull the slider around the tire to tighten the skin. It can be annoying to change a regular tire. With Retire, you're all set in less than a minute. The skins are easy to fold and fit perfectly into a backpack. The tire is lightweight and designed to minimize rolling resistance in order to optimize your riding experience on asphalt and concrete. Retire has been tested around the world and performs anytime, every time. From snowy Norwegian roads to downhill trails in the Swiss Alps, or even rolling mile after mile on an American highway. Retire is the perfect way to make your bike a multi-purpose, year-round vehicle. Whether you have a hybrid, terrain, mountain, electric, or any other bike, choose Retire and enjoy your freedom. Because easier is better.
Bluetooth earbuds. They all look the same and work the same. Until now. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless. We designed and engineered these for today's multi-device world. Pair it with all your devices and rapidly switch connection to any device, anytime you want. We made a smart charging case with its own embedded processor and an OLED display screen. Beautifully crafted in a matte black finishing, this smart case is the user interface for your earbuds. Switch connections seamlessly via the smart case. Watch the morning news on your Android tablet, then switch to your iPhone for your favorite music as you head out to work. You have complete audio control, from volume to transparency mode to toggling ANC, all from an intuitive user interface. And it has an OLED display, showing vital stats such as battery life, so you know you will not run out of power during a call. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless, the earbuds for your entire day. The earbuds last an amazing 24 hours on a single charge and 50 hours with a charging case. So you can leave them in your ears the whole day. And one more thing, it's Bluetooth 5.2 and LE Audio ready. Tune into LE Audio broadcast sources easily, then switch out to your personal device anytime you want and jump back in right after. Seamless switching, an amazing user experience. You are ready for this new world. We've integrated premium tier features such as transparency mode, Qualcomm adaptive ANC, always-on voice assistant, true wireless mirroring, aptX voice, aptX adaptive, 8th gen CVC processing, and it is...
We have the capability to make the world's first floating backpack better, stronger, and it floats so you can hike faster for longer. Welcome to the future of backpacking. You've never seen a backpack that moves like this, or that lets you move like this. And this motion isn't just for show. By suspending the load, HoverGlide reduces impact forces by 80 to 90%, relieving stress and strain on your back and knees. It will especially reduce the joint and muscle pain you feel during descents. Over the course of a long day hiking, that can make a huge difference. The suspended load backpack is one of the biggest innovations in hiking in the last 30 years. Here's what makes it so different. On the right is a typical backpack. The load is firmly attached to your back, so as you move, the pack moves with you. With each step, the weight accelerates and decelerates up and down. These dynamic forces are as much as 3 times the static weight in the pack. HoverGlide separates the load from your back. The load floats on an elastic coupling, reducing both the dynamic load and the impact forces by 80 to 90%. The stress on your body is cut dramatically. This in turn reduces your metabolic effort, giving you more endurance. We're testing suspended load technology with some of the toughest customers we could find: the U.S. military,
When I first heard about suspended load technology, I was skeptical. A lot of products that the Marines get sent to test are a lot of talk and no walk. And I tried on the pack and I realized that it actually does make carrying heavy loads easier. I was so impressed, in fact, that I asked if I could be a part of the team. And for years, I've been testing the packs, brought them to various bases so they can try them out in simulated missions, long marches, runs, and the hardest part of all the testing is getting the backpacks back.
In the last 2 years, we've delivered more than 130 packs with suspended load technology to the military. And now we want to bring this amazing technology to consumers. We know that you might want different packs for different activities, so HoverGlide has 4 models to choose from.
From the makers of Nanobag comes Nanobag 4. Tiny big bags, made to be brought everywhere. Every year, 500 billion to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed worldwide. Our mission is to reduce plastic waste by making the most convenient reusable bags. To our knowledge, the Nanobag is the world's strongest, lightest, and most portable bag in its product category. And now it comes in many more flavors to suit all your carrying needs. Meet our 6 new bag styles: Standard, Micro, Mini, XL, Sling, and Pack. And we've added 15 fun new designs. All our bags are crafted from our custom-made ultra-high performance reinforced diamond ripstop fabric. The strong fabric measures only 0.002 inches thick. That's only half the width of a human hair. Stitched with a heavy-duty nylon thread, our bags can easily carry 66 pounds. The Standard weighs just 0.78 ounces. And with 19 liters of space, it's big enough to cover your daily needs. Our soft fabric folds on itself so flat that you won't even notice carrying it. No folding necessary. The bags are so small they'll fit anywhere, even in the watch pocket of your jeans. The pouch is attached to the bag and can also fit your keys and other small objects. Our Micro even fits on your keychain. The handles run along the length of the bag to balance the weight evenly, whether you carry it on your shoulder or in your hand. They're also reinforced for extra comfort. And a coating keeps water and dirt off the bag. As with our last campaign, we will plant 1 tree for every bag sold to offset any emission from the production of the bags many times over. Back us today and help make the Nanobag 4 a reality.